Hey live, we're here at G Studios. Come. For a pet care day.
Today is a beautiful day. A lot of animals will be safe. Good morning. Hi, Marlon.
This is the first dog. This is for adoption. For adoption, guys.
Hindi pwede, sir. Babalik lang.
Matamas ko daw sa
No, mas kasi mamamit na.
Maano, hyper. Diba sa hyper?
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Pet Daycare First Day G Studios. So Sarah and I are here with everybody. We're going to go around and visit all the booths. First day and many more days to come.
Meet Buenas.
Hi, buenas!
Let's go around, babe. Let's go around.
Kinuha na si Win. Galit sa aso.
Babe, girlfriend, magiging pwede.
Pwede kayo offer?
Babe, come, let's go here. Let's go to booth. What's your name, Dina? Labi.
Ay, Sarah.
Sarah picture. Picture sa.
Hindi ko makakaluhog.
Ma'am, sino may hari kay Buenas? Kaya naman na. Dogs eh. Sarah,
Babe, come on.
Ay, mamaya na yan.
These guys are from Cairo. I think it's fun when they I always say. We're gonna go shout out. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po. Ano po? Do you want to get this one po?
Sige, can you reserve, babe?
What size po yung gusto nyo? So these are the different shirts. This one has a different design po sa back.
Sige, one each na lang, ma'am.
One each po? Okay po.
Medium, large.
And then what color? What size? Medium. Both medium.
Yeah.
White or black?
Mas small kay Sarah.
So, bale, tingin ko sa sugar.
Yeah. Reserve, we'll pay later, ha? We'll later.
Ay, ako.
Hey, Kuya.
Hey, sir. Hi, Clyde.
Hi, Dirty. Let's go around.
Mukha niya si Zoro. Sana kami.
Hi, Celine. Hey, John Rev.
May mga kasamang gusto rin magpa-adopt minsan.
Ganda naman.
One is already been adopted.
Now, here today.
She's coming here near the door.
Nice, nice. Okay. Guys, this is attorney Kubesh. She's the one that handles AKF. So today,
Mabait sila, no?
we bring attorney.
We have 4 dogs and 2 cats.
Nash of this morning, 11 a.m. We have attorney the best.
Thank you so much to the full dogs at Pluto. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Mabait, mabait. Hello!
Alam niyo na mo, Sarah. May bibigyan kami.
Ay, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow, ganda naman. Thank you.
Kamusta? Ay, kita-kita lang sa section ng
Maybe.
Tapos bibigyan ko na dito kami nito.
Wala. Saan?
Huwari lang yun.
Pangalan ko.
Pagkani lang sila. Dito lang sa gilid.
Our main volunteer, senior na. Halika na. Darling, kung nasa yung aming anak mo,
Saan yung camera, attorney?
Ano natin? Wala. Saan ba yun? Ito na lang. Ayan na pala. Christian! Wala. Ay, isa pa, isa pa.
Thank you. Maraming rabies, naging rabies. Marami siya. Okay, usap tayo. Adoption.
Ganda-ganda. Parang 16 years old. Puting ko.
This is Gucci. Gucci. Hey, good morning, ma'am.
Thank you for organizing.
Thank you for being here. Thank you. Jana natin.
Ano po?
Good.
Tanong sa akin. Kasi ito po natin.
Oh, we're family now.
So, that's Gucci.
Gucci.
Our kitten. And then we also have more puppies.
Hey, Gucci.
Gucci was rescued sa isang creek sa Taguig while habagat season, almost drowning. So when
Kayo nag-rescue.
yes, so we swam to the creek just to get her because she's crying out loud. And then now she's doing good and fully vaxxed and ready to be adopted.
Yay!
Yes, so
Pwede lang i-adopt sila lahat.
We have 10 cats na. We have two rescue cats. From
Construction site.
Ano yun?
Oh,
Wala, sobra. Dapat taon.
You have this free sticker.
Ay,
Ayan,
ano,
ayan. Thank you. We were supposed to speak. We were supposed to do spaying today. Next time, we'll do it next time.
yeah, medyo may issue na ako kasi sa spay. Parang sa iba yata.
It's dangerous.
For foreign naman.
We've been doing spay days and
It's safe
although
naman too.
there is, pero controlled naman. It's a routine procedure and our partner vets are very good.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure that everything was safe. So maybe next time. Yeah. It's just mahirap eh. May mangyayari din.
Yeah.
Dapat safe na.
Pero yung partner vet namin,
They're good.
that's all that they do.
Ah, okay.
They just spay and neuter. So, very routine procedure.
Pero kawawa, Sarah cried yung nangyayari our spade.
Yesterday, we had a spay day.
Where?
Ako nalaga in Pandacan, Manila. Spay and neuter namin.
Wow.
And that's actually a low number because our average now is around 500 per spay.
Almost like
It's really a big event.
1,000 per month.
So you will do that here next time?
Mga cats po.
Yeah.
Yes.
No dogs, just cats.
Meron. And we provide vaccines, anti-rabies, 7 in 1, 5 in 1. If may mange, we provide mange treatment or any anti-parasitic treatment. Kung may iba pang condition, we also have them checked.
You even bring their nails and ears.
Oh,
Yeah,
so,
while they're sedated,
You
we
clean
clean the nails, we clean the ears, we clip the nails. We do it twice a month. Thursday nag-ano sa AK.
Ano sa skill hindi? Step. Mami ko. Hello! Mama ko.
I'm getting tempted to ano eh.
Hi, Bella. I was kind of scared. Come with us? Yes, Mama. Ano naman
Somebody else muna. Let's look for somebody.
Mention. Ano, sabi na ang baby.
Edward. Hello, Edward. Ano, rescue to lang. Rescue.
Saan marami para sa mga senior? Sanctuary para sa mga senior.
You guys have like institution.
Sayang.
We have foster homes
Okay.
and then we have partner vets for boarding. But in our office, yung mga cats.
So you just rescue like stray dogs or like
Yeah,
cats?
whenever we get
wants them adopted rather than kept in the sanctuary because the resources are
It's hard to sustain that also.
Yes.
So you guys go out in the field and get like
We rescued distressed animals.
Okay.
Tapos, our main target now is PNA. Para ma-lessen yung stray animals, overpopulation. So, whenever we have like budget, pupunta kami sa mga poor communities
Yeah.
and barangays
And you help
and then
out there.
we do spay and
But like for example like beaten dogs, mga ganyan, you don't help that. You cannot help that. It's complicated, no?
with what?
Like if there's dogs beaten dogs, mga things like that.
we rescue.
You can, but don't you still have to go through a process, like legal process, barangay, etc.
Yeah, meron din ganun. Because sometimes you get the report from the
Yeah. So or like we have a neighbor, we already
Papakat mo muna ng video.
we have a neighbor.